My experience with remote desktop software in the past has been mostly negative. For what I do as a motion graphics designer, they're way too laggy, you don't have the correct color space, and it was really hard for me to do my job remotely. Hi, I'm Lewis Blakemore and I'm head of motion design at Zygo Media. In the past, using remote desktop software to edit on a timeline has been the worst part of my week. Working with the lag and outside of the correct color space, it just made the whole experience of working remotely just terrible. Work from home now, I don't get anything that I used to experience with old remote desktop software. I don't get the lag, I don't get the crashes, and it means that I can edit. In the last 10 years, me and my team have tried all the remote desktop softwares, and none of them have come close to what we now get to experience with Phaze. Working with After Effects, you do a lot of keyframing, a lot of color correction. I have to play back the timeline all the time, checking my work, checking other people's work, and now I can do that from anywhere in the world. Honestly, it just gives me peace of mind with the consistency, logging on every week, knowing that there's not going to be any problems is the best part for me. So I'm planning on going remote soon. Fully transitioning to just remote work. Me and the team trialed and tested a few different options, and Phaze was the only one that held up everything that we wanted, but also consistently. So that's what we're going to be using, and I don't see why we'd use anything else. Christmas has just gone, and we had quite a niche project. We had a lot of different team members working on the same project, and it was just really easy. We could all work on certain parts that we needed to work on. Specialists in different areas could jump on, and we managed to turn around the project a day or two quicker than actually if we'd been in the office.